What's up guys, this is a quick unboxing for the TireTek premium tyre pressure gauge. So right guys, I've actually bought this from Amazon and I paid £12 for it. And what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below just in case if you need any more information or if you want to actually buy one. So right guys, first of all it says on the box that it's got a 2-inch gauge and it will read up to 60 psi, which is 4.1 bars. So all these pressure gauges, they've all been calibrated and tested and approved, and they all meet the ANSI B40.1 Grade B accuracy standards. So you can use these pressure gauges on any vehicles, i.e. like cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, caravans, motorcycles, bicycles, anything with a tyre really. So right, let's open it up and have a look at it. So right guys, first of all this is the warranty card and it gives you a 12 months warranty automatically, but if you register it online it will give you a lifetime warranty. So it's definitely worth spending a couple of minutes and registering it online. So right guys, this is the gauge itself, and the gauge is made from a heavy duty steel and brass construction, and it's protected by this rubber housing which is shockproof. So that's a really good feature really, so if you drop it, it will protect it. So as you can see that it's got a 2-inch gauge and it will read up to 60 psi and 4.1 bars, and it gives you an accurate reading and it's very clear to read. So on the side, if you can see that, this is an actual bleed valve. So that's there to reduce the air pressure in your tyres if you need to reduce them. So on the top here we've got a chuck, and that will swivel around 360 degrees to wherever you want it. So right guys, I'll quickly do you a quick demo, but before I do you a demo I'll just let you know I did have the other one as well with the hose on it. So the one with the hose was pretty good, but the only issue I had was you had to use it with 2 hands. So I preferred this one where you can just use it with 1 hand. I use it for my motorbike and my car really. So right guys, I'll do you a quick demo now. So right guys, this is a quick demo. So what you want to do is you want to get the gauge, make sure it's reset to 0, and then you want to put it into the valve, apply a bit of pressure, pop it back out, and that will give you your reading. So each time you want to get a reading, you want to reset it by pressing the bleed valve. And what that will do is it'll stop you getting a false reading. So that's been resetted. And there you go, that's how you do it. If you want to reduce the tyre pressure, all you need to do is add it and press the bleed valve. That will reduce it there. So right guys, that was your quick demo, and I don't think there's anything else I can tell you about it. So I hope this helps somebody out who's thinking about buying one. And thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.